Let's get ourselves connected. Get yourself connected.
Gotta get connected.
We're down at the Sony Style Store with Brent DeWall talking about touch technology built into PC computers. Brent, how does touch technology work?
Well, touchscreens are something that people are really familiar with now. The kids are playing with them on their video games. A lot of people's smartphones have
Sure,
touch
your iPhone
technology.
or whatnot, yeah.
Exactly. And now in an all-in-one computer, we're bringing that technology to the home so that you can do things in a much more natural sense. Once you get used to just actually touching something and wanting to look at it, you're able to do that. And what brings it all together, with Windows 7, you've got the ability to have all that touch technology built into the hardware.
Sure.
So we applied that to an all-in-one design, so we have a really nice design, much like our TV, full all-in-one computer that you can operate with just your finger.
So that's the one thing that I think people are going to get excited about. This looks like a monitor that you'd have on your computer desk or something like that, but it's got all the guts built into it, and you mentioned it also has a Blu-ray player.
So this is your entire home entertainment. It's got a built-in Blu-ray player, it's got a tuner for Windows Media Center, so you can record and watch all your favorite programs, and you can edit your videos and pictures into your own videos and burn them on Blu-rays as well that you can play on other players.
Now, I noticed it doesn't have a keyboard or mouse or anything. Do you think people are going to be weirded out by that, or does it come with those?
It does come with a standard wireless keyboard and mouse, but it makes for a cleaner design. If you're having this in a main part of the room, you can have it playing as a big picture frame slideshow when you want to look something up, or if you just want the kids working at the homework in an open area of the house. The touch screen design makes it really quite accessible.
Is this going to replace the home computer traditionally that you find in the office, or is this for a whole new room?
Well, I think this is definitely for the customer who wants to be both working and playing with the computer. So sometimes you're going to be writing emails and getting down into it and you're using the keyboard and mouse. Other times you have friends over, say if it's in an area in the family room or the kitchen, you can show pictures and play games and do that stuff on it as well. So it's really a lot more versatile, and people in an informal way, I just want to look something up on the internet, you can just click through.
Is there a little keyboard that can come on screen if you need to?
If you click in an area where there's text input, the keyboard just pops up and you can quickly just type that in.
Oh, okay. And is that a Windows 7 thing, or is that built into the Sony machine?
Windows 7 includes a lot of the handles to do all the touchscreen kind of things. What we add to it is, in terms of the video and the pictures and the editing, we add in a number of custom features for that.
The touch technology, is it a big price jump from your regular computer systems?
Well, we're looking at models in this area that are around $1,700.
Okay.
It's a nice, big, beautiful screen, so you're going to get a much better color and a much more TV-like performance because it is a desktop. You can put more lighting behind here than, say, a laptop. You'll get a better color from it as well. So it's much more in line with kind of a TV performance, while you still have a built-in high-end computer.
Yeah, you get the whole computer, you get the TV, you get the Blu-ray player. It's pretty good.
Well, if we look in here, we've got a number of possibilities. There's,
oh yeah, it's a little start button, just everything.
You just hit whatever you want. And so if we go into the games here, there's that keyboard.
Oh, right, okay.
If you want to do that.
Oh, nice.
So let's just pick something like this Rebound, and then come up, and we'll hit play here. That one's yours.
Okay. Oh, it's like hockey.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I keep scoring on myself though.
And other like board games and things like that, chess and those kinds of.
So
it's much more natural.
Though. You can actually have two people touching the screen at the same time.
Any program that you're moving things around, reorganizing pictures and images, it's just so much easier to touch it and do that kind of thing as well. If you're using any of the art programs, you can use your finger instead of a stylus or the mouse, and often you get a nicer result.
Very good. Well, if you're thinking about taking your computer experience to a whole new level, touch technology built into the L series on these Sony PCs is something you're going to definitely want to check out. Thanks. See if I can stop scoring on my own net.